I find that most of my jobs come from an exchange of emails, so it's important to keep a record that can be easily accessed and relate to the jobs in progress. In the last tutorial, you saw how to keep the progress of jobs organised on your computer. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate that information with your email application. I'll be using Apple Mail to do this, but any email application will have similar functionality. I've reproduced most of the computer's folder names, but there's no need for an archived jobs folder in an email list, and I've added cancelled jobs. And this is the list. Number 1, quotes, bookings, active jobs, jobs in review, completed jobs, and cancelled jobs. And the process is similar to the computer in that you add folders for each job. But what's different here is that when you add your emails, you only need to do it once because the Smart folder automatically keeps up with the future correspondence. And you can see Smart folders set up here in Apple Mail. And they're all subfolders inside the main Jobs folder. Inside each of the subfolders are Smart folders for each job. You create new job numbers by duplicating a preset Smart folder. Let's say I've got a new job in the wings here from Aaron. I select the email from Aaron and copy his email address. And then I go to the next numbered folder, that's 1007, right-click and duplicate. Increase the number by 1 digit for the next time, 1008. Select the duplicated folder, that's 1007, right-click and edit Smart folder. Paste Aaron's email address into the 2 fields. Drag the folder into quotes. And when Aaron's job is booked, drag it into bookings, and then into active job and so on. Now you've got the job name and number, you can create a folder on your computer to keep track of that job by that number, as we discussed in the last tutorial. And since the new job number, in this case, has already been created in the email app, there's no need to go through the process of duplicating the computer's folders. And you decide which place you want to start the new numbers from, either the computer or from the email system. And just a quick comment here about SMS, WhatsApp, and Facebook messages. As I mentioned in the previous tutorial, I really find it quite confusing when trying to remember where those conversations were and what message application they were recorded in. My answer is to copy the conversation text and to open a text editor and then drag that file into the folder on your computer. Now you've seen how to track your jobs, the next video explains how to fill the gap in your current workflow by using an easy time management system. And if you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and press the bell so you'll be notified of those new tutorials as they come available.